Hello viewers, you're welcome to IDC Learning Center YouTube channel with Marco Kafo. For today's video, we'll be looking at Cambridge Assessment International Education Mathematics Stage 9 Paper 1. So for those of you preparing for your Cambridge examination, this video is for you. Take note, this video is for Lower Secondary Progression Test, Stage 9, or what you have as GSS 3 for those of you in Nigeria. Alright, we'll be looking at 2017 past questions, question paper 1. Question number 1. Work out angles A, B, and C in the diagram here. Okay. I want you to know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So if this is a triangle, this angle plus this angle plus this angle must give you 180 degrees. For this smaller, let this be A. For this smaller triangle, from this point to this point to this point. So 85 degrees plus 32 degrees plus 8 degrees must give us 180 degrees. 85 plus 32 will give us 117 degrees plus 8 degrees equal to 180. To get the value of A, we'll move 117 degrees to the right hand side. A stands alone, so we have 180. As 117 degrees crosses this equal to sign, it will change to minus 117. So we subtract to get the value of A. Borrow 1 from 8, 8 reduces to 7. Put the 1 here, that's now 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, 7 minus 1 is 6. So the value of A is 63 degrees. Now we know the value of A. Let me write it here, 63 degrees. To get the value of B, I want you to know that A and B has formed angle on a straight line here. An angle on a straight line is always 180. So for B, A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. We've gotten A as 63 degrees. So 63 plus B is equal to 180 degrees. To get the value of B, you collect like terms. You move 63 to the right hand side. B is now equal to 180 degrees minus 63 degrees. Borrow 1 from 8. 8 reduces to 7. Put it here, 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. This is 1. So your answer is 117 degrees. Finally, find C. Now, let me clean this so I can show you something. There's something called corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are always equal. Corresponding angles are angles that form, are gotten from the shape of F. So this shape down here, and this will give you the shape of an F. So this angle and this angle must be equal. Since A is 63 degrees, then C is 63 degrees. Alright, let's look at question 2. Maya, Lily, Mike, Jamila, and Oliver each record the time they take to do their homework. Maya takes 10 minutes. The table gives information about the time the 4 other students take. Complete the table. So, in the description, Lily takes 20 minutes longer than Mia. It has been done. So if Mia is T, Lily will take plus 20. That's 20 minutes longer. Mike takes twice as long as Mia. So if Mia is T, Mike takes 2 times T, twice as much. 2 times T is same thing as 2T. Jamila takes 10 minutes less than Mia. If Mia is T, less you subtract, more you add. So Jamila's time will be T minus 10. Now, Oliver takes that since it's t divided by 2, it simply means that Oliver takes half as long as Mia. So I'm going to write half as long. Now, for those of you that have these past questions, just get this particular year. I'm solving this 2017 edition and follow through as I answer the questions. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you find this interesting. And remember, this is just the beginning. I have other questions I'm going to solve with you that will help you to be adequately prepared for this year Cambridge examination. So let's look at question number 3. For question number 3, Ahmed has 10 tins in his cupboard. 5 contain soup, 3 contain pears, and 2 contain beans. Ahmed takes a tin from his cupboard without looking. 4 events are: A. Ahmed picks a tin containing beans. B. Ahmed picks a tin containing soup, that's B. C. Ahmed picks a tin containing oranges. And D. Ahmed picks a tin containing pears. Place arrows on the probability scale to show how likely each of the events is. The first one has been done for you. If this is 0.5, then this is 0, then this must be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. This is 0.5, then this will be 0.6, and so on till you get to 1. Okay. A has been placed. Let's place B at the right place. What's the probability that Ahmed picks a tin containing soup? How many cans do we... Oh, Ahmed picks a tin containing beans. Okay, this B, A has been done. Hold on. Beans is just this two, it has been done. So B, Ahmed picks a tin containing soup. For soup, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tins out of 10 tins. That's 0.5, right? 5 divided by 10 is 0.5. You come under 0.5 and place your B. For C, Ahmed picks a tin containing oranges. As you can see, we don't have any orange here. It's just the soup, the pears, and the beans. So, for C, C has to be 0 because there is no orange. Ahmed picks a tin containing pears. How many pears do you have? 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 10. 3 divided by 10 is 0.3. Just count once and put your decimal. Is 0.5. So for D, since it's 0.3, it has to be in this icon. This is what? Containing pears. So this is D. I'm sure this is clear. Alright, now let's go to question 4. For question 4, these cards show the height of 6 plants. It's 6 centimeters, 132 centimeters, 1 meter 6 centimeters, 1.6 meters, 1 meters 20 centimeters, 1.15 meters. Arrange the height in order of size, starting with the tallest. 2 cards have been done for you. I'm going to encourage you, whenever you have a problem where the units are not the same, convert the units to be the same. It's very important you make the higher value to be of same value as the lower one. So this is centimeters, centimeters. Take note, 100 centimeters will give you 1 meters. So to convert this to centimeters, 1 meters is 100 centimeters. Now plus the 6 centimeters. So it will be, this will be 106 centimeters. All right, so 1.6. So to change 1.6 meters to centimeters, just multiply by 100. Alright, so 100 has 2 zeros, so you just move 1, 2, put 1 0 here. That's 160 centimeters. That's the value of this one. 1 meters is 100 centimeters plus 20 centimeters. This is 120 centimeters. Multiply by 100, you move 1, 2, twice it will give you 115 centimeters. Okay, so now arrange the heights in order of size, starting with the tallest. So the tallest here is obviously 160 centimeters, which is 1.6. This is the tallest, 1.6 meters. 132 has been placed, then I pick this. So the next is 1 meters 20 centimeters, which is 120 centimeters. This has been done for us. I've picked this. Then the next is 106 centimeters, and the shortest is 86 centimeters. All right, I'm done with this question. We are going to go straight to question number 5. So the question 5 says, the table and frequency diagram showed some information about the number of customers visiting a shop on each of the last 50 Mondays. Number of customers, the frequency, we have 10 to 14 is 11, 15 to 19, 21, 20 to 24, 10, 25 to 29, and 30 to 34. We are not given, but we know that the total is 50 here. But if you come over to the graph here, the numbering, this is like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on and so forth. 30 to 34 was given. It's above 2, but between 2 and 4. So 30 to 34 must be 3. I got it from this graph that is above 2 but less than 4. Now, I can find 25 to 29. 25 to 20. Since I know that the total is 50, to get this missing frequency, I'll just sum up 11, 21, 10, and 3 together. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1, this is 5. 2, 3, 4, that's 45. So what is missing will be the total, which is 50 minus 45, which are the known frequencies. Then let me erase this. What is missing here will be 5. All right, use this information to complete the table which I've done. Complete the frequency diagram. So let's locate 5. This is 4. Between 4 and 6 is 5. So the table will be this. Then down and down. Okay. All right. Then 20 to 24 is 10. This is 8. This is 10. Between 8 and 12. Then I'll bring it down to create my bar for 10. Then we have this as 10. All right. Now I've completed the table, and I've also completed the frequency diagram. That's all. All right. Let's move over to question number 6. Question 6 says, the graph shows 3 straight lines. Okay, A, B, and C. From this point to this point is A. B is from this point to this point. Then C is from this point down to this point is C. Put a ring around the equation for line A. Line A, this horizontal, you can see X. So this straight line from here to here is X. And A is on 5. So X is equal to 5. So I'll put my ring around here. can see that this x 5 is in the horizontal line x. That's the value of x. Write down the equation of line B. For line B, this is line B, and look at it, is at 7. Okay, so we can say that line B, but this line is y, and the 7 is on the vertical, like on line this y. So line equation line B, y is equal to 7, because this is y and this is 7. This is line B on y. All right. Finally, C, tick to show whether each of these facts about line C is true or false. The point 2 and 4 lies on line C. For 2 and 4, the first digit is always the x and the next is the y. Look at 2 here. Okay, then trace it to C. It terminates at all right, it doesn't, we'll keep moving down to this point. This is where 4, bring 4 here, so we can't pick 3. It doesn't terminate here. Sorry, let me erase this and take this again. All right, so you trace 2 and 4 down to this point. All right, so we can say that 2 and 4 lies on line C. Okay, so it's true. The y coordinate is always 2 more than the x coordinate. That is false. The equation y equal to 2x is true. All right, let's go to question 7. All right, for question 7, the diagram shows a row of 7 triangles made from matches. The number of matches needed to make a row of t triangles is given by the expression 2t plus 1. So for 7 triangles, replace t with 7. You have 2 brackets 7, close bracket plus 1. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Let's check if we have 15 matches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's true. Now work out for 36 triangles. You go back to the equation 2t plus 1. For 36 triangles, replace t with 36. 2 bracket 36 plus 1. 2 times 36 is 72. 72 plus 1 will give me 73. Alright, that's for question number 7. Let's look at question number 8. Change 2 over 5 to a decimal. 2 divided by 5. Okay, let's divide 2 by 5. 2 divided by 5 is not possible. Put your 0 point, put 0 here. So it's now 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Take away 0. My answer is 0.4. For question 8b, write an integer in each box to make the statement true. 2 over 5. What is the value you need to put here so that it will be less than half but greater than 2 over 5? Let's make 2 over 5 and 1 over 5 a round number. Probably let's make the denominator round them up to like 100. To change this to 100, I need to multiply this by what? 20 and this by 50. If I'm multiplying this by 50, I must multiply this by 50. If I multiply this by 20, I must multiply this by 20. So I'm going to have 2 times 20, 40 over 100, and 1 times 50, 50 over 100. So we need to find values that are between 40 over 100 and 50 over 100. So from 41 over 100, 42 over 100, 43 down to 49 over 100 is fine. So just pick in one. Probably let me pick the middle one. 45 over 100 is my answer. It's between both of them. You can see that it is greater than 40 over 100 or less than 50 over 100, which is half. Now I'm going to reduce 45 over 100 to the lowest term and put in the 2 boxes. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So my answer will be 9 over 20. So 9 over 20 is greater than 2 over 5 or less than 1 over 2. Alright, question 9. Let's calculate what we have here. 23.456 minus 1.78. You can see the way I arrange my digits, put 0 here, so that the decimal point will be at the right place. 6 minus 0 is 6. Borrow 1 from 4. 4 reduces to 3. Put the 1 here. 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 minus 7 not possible. Borrow 1 from 3. 3 reduces to 2. Put the 1 here. This 13 minus 7, 6. 0.2 minus 1, 1. Bring down 2. We have our answer. Question number 10. Use the information in the box to write down the value of each of the following. Alright, for the first one, 2.76 times 4.1. Without the decimal, this value and this value will be the same. So without the decimal, I'm actually going to get the same answer without decimal. So there won't be decimal this. But here we have 2 decimal places. That is why you have 1, 2, and the decimal is here. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. The decimal will be here. Alright. For the second one, without the decimal, if you divide 11316 by 41, you are going to get back 276, right? Okay, so which is this value, and this times this will give you 11316 without the decimal. But here we have 2 decimal places, so you move 1, 2 and put your decimal point here. Alright, for C we have 13.8 times 8.2. I'll always advise you ignore the decimal, just multiply and put your decimal once you are done. So this times 82, 2 times 8 is 16, 6 put 1 here. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 times 1 is 2, you go to 8. 8 times 8, 64, 4, you put 6 here. 8 times 3, 24 plus 6, 30. 0, you put 3 here. 8 times 1, 8 plus 3, 11. So our answer will be 6, 7 plus 4, 11. 1, put 1 here. 2 plus 1, 3. Bring down this 1, 1. We have how many decimal? 1, 2. So my answer will be 113.16. Alright, thank you very much. Let's move straight to question 11. So, question 11 says, find 12% of $34. In mathematics, wherever you come across this symbol, this percentage symbol, the way it is here, it means divide by 100. So 12 divided by 100 times $34 will give us our answer. I like dividing this way for round numbers so that it will be easier for you. 100 has 2 zeros, so you just move your decimal 1, 2 and put it here. So it's same thing as saying 0.12 times $34. Now ignore the decimal point and multiply. Once you're done, you put your decimal point. 34 times 12. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. So we have 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 carry 1. That's 4. So my answer will be 408. This won't be the final answer. Remember, we have 2 decimal places here. Alright, so we move 1, 2 and put our decimal points here. So our final answer will be 4.08. Alright friends, let's look at question 12. Angelic and Sophia each go for a run. The travel graph shows their runs. You can see it here. Let's look at A. For A, Angelic and Sophia both stopped during their runs. Work out how much longer Angelic stopped than Sophia. So Angelic is from this point here, which is 30, down here, you get 30, down to this point, which is 80. So let's count from 30 to 80. 30 to 40 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have 50 minus Sophia. From here down to this point is 40, and this down is 60. From 40 to 60 is 10, 20. 50 minus 20. My answer is 30. Now, question B says, complete the sentences. Dash runs the furthest distance. The answer is Sophia. Okay, Sophia ran 12 kilometers in total. Now the C part of the question. Sophia runs faster than Angelique. Explain how the graph shows this. So in the graph, we can see that it took Sophia 80 minutes to cover 12 kilometers and Angelique covered 10 kilometers in 110 minutes. So let's go over to question 13. This question says 360 can be written as 2x times 3y times 5. Where x and y are positive integers, work out the value of x and the value of y. So we need to break down 360. Smallest number that can go is 2, which is 180. 2 is not done with its job. 180 divided by 2 is 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45. 2 is done with its job. We go to 3. 4 divided by 3 is 1. Put the remainder here. 3 into 15 is 5. So 45 divided by 3 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So to write this in index form, bring out all the divisors, which is 2 times 2 times 2, right? Times 3 times 3 times 5. So how many 2's do we have? 2 raised to the power 3. How many 3's do we have? 3 raised to the power 2. Then times 5. So x is what? 2 raised to the power 3. X is 3. Y is what? 3 raised to the power y. Y is 2. Alright, to question 14. Question 14 says, chain throws two-sided dice. It records the difference between the two scores. Complete this table showing the positive outcomes. Second dice and first dice. So, here we have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we have 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 0 is 1. The 0 has gone up. So we have 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. After 2, 3 comes next. 3, 2, 1, 0, 1. So what is missing here is 2. 1, 2, 3. After 3, we have 2, 1, 0, 1. What is missing here? 2, 3. So it's now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 0, 1. What is missing here is 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 0, 1. What is missing here? 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's sorted. Let's go to question 15. For question 15, write the missing number in each box. A, 0.25 times 10 raised to the power 3 equal to what? Let's tackle question A first. For question A, 0.25 times 10 raised to the power 3 is something as 10 with 3 zeros. Okay, so 25 times 1000. Sorry, 0.25 times 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. Remember, I got 1000 because this is 3. That means it's 1000. 1000 is same thing as 10 raised to the power 3. Since 1000 has 3 zeros, from the decimal point, you count 3 places. 1, 2, and 3. Put your 0 here. my answer will be 250 and the decimal is gone. For B, we have the box divided by 10 raised to the power minus 1 equals to 25. Using indices, this box is same thing as divide by 10 raised to the power minus 1 is same as 1 over 10 equal to 25. This is fraction, so using the concept of KCF, you use this if you have a fraction that has division. So the box, K means keep, we keep the box division. C means change, we change division to times. F means flip, we flip, 10 goes up, 1 comes down, equal to 25. Okay, so for this, box times 10 will give me 10 box, or box 10 equals to 25. So this times this give me this. To get the value of the box, you divide both sides by 10. 10 here 1, 10 here 1. So the value of the box will be 25 divided by 10. 10 has 1 0, just move once and put your decimal point here. That's 2.5. The answer here is 2.5. So you can verify that answer. 2.5 divided by 1 over 10 should give us 25. So 2.5 is same thing as move once. 25 over 10 divided by 1 over 10. Keep change flip, keep the first fraction. Change division to times and flip, you have this. 10 cancels 10, you have 25, which is this. This is just to check. Okay, just to check and make sure the answer is correct. Alright, let's go over to question 16. An apple costs $1.85 per kilogram. Work out the cost of 1.6 kilograms of apples. Is more, so you simply multiply. 1.85 times 1.6. Now, instead of writing this, I would just ignore the decimal point, multiply as a whole number. Once I'm done, I'll put my decimal. So 185 times 16. I know that this has 2 decimal places, and here is 1 decimal place. 6 times 5 is 30, 0 carry 3. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 3, 51, 1 carry 5. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5, 11. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 1 is 1. Now let's sum this. You have 0, 5 plus 1 is 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, 1 plus 1 is 2. In total, we have 3 decimal places, 2 from this and 1 from this. That's 3. So you move 1, 2, 3. Put your point here. So the answer will just be $2.96. Alright, question 17. This question says, the coordinates of point A are 1 and 2, and the coordinates of point B are minus 3 and 4. Find the midpoint of the line AB. For question 17, if the coordinate of point A, remember this is the horizontal line, the x, and this is the vertical line, horizontal and vertical. So if the coordinates are what we have, the midpoint will be minus 1 and 3. Okay, let's look at question 18. Question 18 says, write the missing number in the boxes. 2 over 3 divided by what will give us 2 over 3 times 4 over 3 equal to what? Now this will be 3 and this will be 4. While this will be 8 and this will be 9. Okay? If you check what I've done, 2 over 3, keep change, flip the division, will give you 4 over 3, right? Solving for this will give me 8 over 9. And here, 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 3, 9. So it's same thing. So we have our answer. For question 19, a quadrilateral is shown on the grid. Now, enlarge the quadrilateral by scale factor 3. center 10 and 4. If you do that, we are going to have something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to have 1, 2 here. Okay. Now you bring this down. Okay. Sorry for my rough work. We are going to have this, and this we cut across this down to this, while this we find its way down to this. Okay, while this we find its way down to this. We'll have something like this. Okay, for question 20, draw lines to match the equal values. This 5 raised to the power minus 1 is same thing as 1 over 5. If you divide 1 by 5, it's going to give you 0.2, so this will match this. This is same thing as 1 over 5 raised to the power 2, which is same as 1 over 25. 1 divided by 25, okay, let me show you what it will give you. 1 divided by 25, 25 into 1, that's 0.0. 25 into 10 can go add 0 here. 25 into 100 is 4, so that's like 0.04. If you express this as a percentage, multiply by 100, you get this. So I can link these to this. The next, 2 raised to the power minus 3 is same thing as 1 over 2 cubed. 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 places will give me 1 over 8. So 1 divided by 8 will give me 0.125. While for this, 3 raised to the power minus 2 is same as 1 over 3 squared, which is 1 over 9. So this one has been sorted. The last one will just be this to this. We can also prove it. 1 square is 1. 2 square, 2 times 2 is 4. 1 divided by 4 is 0.25. Question 25. Aiko needs 20 liters of paint. That's question 21, sorry. She mixes her paint using paint powder and water. She uses these mixing instructions. To make 200 milliliters of paint, divide by mix 40 grams of paint powder with 120 milliliters of water. The paint powder comes in packets of 0.6 kilogram. Work out how many packets of paint powder Aiko needs. Alright, now to answer this question, we know that to make 200, hold on, let me pick, to make 200 milliliters of paint, we need about 40 grams of paint powder. To make 20 liters of paint, remember, 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liters. So to change 20 liters to milliliters, you multiply 20 by 1000, that will give you 20,000 milliliters. So we want to find out how many grams of paint powder that we need for that. We don't know, let it be X. Now, since 20,000 milliliters is more than 200 milliliters, the grams we are looking for here is more. Since it's more, we'll divide by less. So we divide this 20,000 by the less, which is 200, because what we are looking for is more, times 40 grams, we'll get our answer. So this 0, 0 cancels 0, 0. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, right? So we have 100 times 40 grams. That will give me 4,000 grams. However, they said the paint powder comes in a packet of 0.6 kg. Change 0.6 kg to grams by multiplying by 1000. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. It will give you 600. So you divide this by 600 grams. Gram cancels grams. 20 cancels 20. 6 into 40 is about 6.66 repeatedly, which is approximately 7. So work out how many packets of powder a liquid needs. It needs approximately 7. Thanks so much for staying with me. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe if you've not done so. Share this video. You don't know who you will be helping, and drop a nice comment to encourage what I'm doing. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be looking at paper 2 of Cambridge 4 Case Stage 9. For now, I'm going to say bye.